Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. Trying to age as gracefully as I can, so that's why I love this Neutrogena Triple Age Moisturizer. I personally feel like that this moisturizer has a really nice scent. It's fresh and it doesn't feel overpowering to me. And I also like when I put it on, I personally don't feel that it has irritated my skin in any way. I also like that this moisturizer is thick and creamy. It's not watered down, but yet at the same time, whenever I go to put it on my skin, it doesn't leave it greasy. I have a shiny T-zone, and so after I apply this, it doesn't seem like it's greasy at all. And when I go to put the cream on my face, I feel personally like it dries pretty quickly. So that way afterward, when I am putting on my makeup, I don't feel like I have any kind of problems with it sticking. I also like moisturizers that have SPF in it because that way I don't have to put on a moisturizer and on top of it sunscreen. I personally like how this moisturizer seems creamy to me, and I feel like that it gives me really good protection from the winter elements as well as the summer elements. And that is just my point of view.